Fish on.
Oh, that's a good little fish.
Yeah, that's because I ain't very deep.
Yeah. Real feel blue.
Huh? Real?
Yeah, I've tightened them. I've had to tighten them up a couple times.
What you got, Jose?
Yeah.
Yeah, that didn't take long. They hammered that thing, didn't they?
Man, yeah.
Man, he's way out yonder. Go to the right a little bit.
Cross back over.
That's all right. We'll be all right. We'll straighten it out later. Well, you broke the ice.
Yeah.
First fish.
Yeah.
That
ain't no bad fish.
He might be a keeper.
That's a good one.
Look how far he swallowed that son of a gun.
He wanted it, didn't he?
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah, that's a good fish.
Get in.
I just was fixing to say, I can't believe we ain't caught a fish. That's that barge bite, ain't it?
Yeah, he ain't too. He ain't that low.
He ain't a keeper there, I don't think.
He's a little wild, Italian.
He just now realizing what's going on. We'll take it.
That's all right.
I ain't coming off of them hooks, son. Yeah, we'll take it. Damn, son. He's on them.
Hey, he'll get him.
Take your time.
Yeah, I'm getting no hurt. We got the rest of the day to catch this fish.
Should we get him, Paul?
Can you get to him a little bit?
Yeah, Jose can walk out on the back.
Yeah. Another little one?
That's fish.
Yeah, sooner or later we're going to get through the little ones and get to the big ones. Yeah, here you go. Let me.
You'll know it if it's a big one. You won't be able to reel on him like that.
He straight took it, though.
Hammer. That's what you want.
Throw him free bait.
Oh yeah.
He did a trick. A little bigger than we thought.
He just now realized he's hooked.
He did a trick for you, Italian.
That ain't no bad fish either. That'd be a good skillet.
Yeah. That's about the same size as that hood.
Choke chicken. Look at that wall.
Get a picture on this one, man.
Yeah. Is this first time you shot a fish?
Opposite hand.
Nah, he's been with me before. That's a pretty fish.
Now we've done that before.
I'm waiting
Been
on this
catching.
bank rod over here to head out. Unless he's gonna wait on us.
He's out there.
Shit! Oh, got him. Dude, he hit it. He pulled.
He hit it in the boat.
I was sitting here holding it. He was right here.
Get
beside
in
the
there.
boat, dude. Did you see it? It about cut my
No.
finger.
No, I just heard you say, oh!
It about cut my finger, dude. I was just holding the line. That's a good fish. In the boat. Let me get my phone out first. That was freaking crazy, dude. Man, they just did about 4 inches on it. Fish on. Oh, that's a good one, too.
Well, I got the net, don't worry about it.
He hammered that thing, too.
Yeah. He's coming on.
He pulled a little drag, didn't he?
Mm-hmm.
You got the net man
Oh, yeah.
over there?
I'm red.
He's staying down, ain't he?
Yeah. Window
cuz.
That's a good fish, man. He's acting like he's heavy.
That's good to do. Start to think it might be a catfish.
Might be. A striper, dude.
Big old striper.
Hell yeah. That's what you want. That's what you want right there. That was on the 20, wasn't it?
Yeah, get my picture of that one.
That's a good one. Them hooks ain't coming out.
They get in there, they gone. They in there. I looked up, seen the board.
I seen it. About the time you swung around, I seen it.
Golly.
I'm telling you, you can't beat them hooks, man.
Alright, Mark. You got the big one now. Yeah.
Fish on.
Oh, that's exactly why. Uh-oh.
What'd you have that one on, Paul?
30.
That might be the ticket, man. A little bit deeper. That wind picked up and the fish started biting.
Yeah.
That ain't no bad fish right there. He might go in the skin box. Yeah, that's a keeper.
Yeah, I believe he is.
Yep. That's a toad. That's real. Damn, something hit that back one.
I thought he was having a heart attack.
Back one ain't good in there. That's free. No, I'm talking about he had a hit on that one over there. Jose was sleeping.
Yeah, I was trying to take that one out some more and this motherfucker's gone.
You didn't have the clicker on?
Yeah, I had it on, but it just went under. I was like, oh shit.
He's still on it?
Yeah.
Getting on something right here. All right, you bud.
Pounds on them. We ain't. Bring him over here.
Get that little dick skin in here, pal. We'll take him.
We'll take it.
Camera, you got to see if you can find it. Don't let me review the footage.
There might be some fish up in here. Sells land. He's a realtor.
Oh, shit.
God. He was trying to fish. Take your time, bud. Take your
That's
time.
a good one.
Yeah. Yeah, when they hit like that, it's usually a good one. Really? Or you got it? Don't pump him. Don't pump him. Hey, we're getting bit all around. That one just got hit too.
Somebody, the main thing is to stay calm.
This one got to come off.
Are you serious, Tyler?
We on him over here, bud.
Don't get in front of him. Alright.
Is your picker up?
Yeah, my pants are unzipped, but my picker is up.